Today we're going to show you how to put together a Halloween porch. So we are going to start with a blank slate here. Just a door. The buckets are always there with plants in them. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill the buckets with something Halloween. So I'm taking our orange pumpkin sticks and this garland, and I am going to stuff my buckets. So I love this because it has creepy, crawly, and it looks very spooky. And then I'm just going to take these pumpkins and make them creepy, crawly as well. Gonna do the same thing on the other side. So it's a good thing that this is covered because I'm using obviously fake pumpkins out here, but it's gonna be okay because it is covered. The next thing I'm going to add is this amazing welcome sign that's like a coffin. So this is definitely going to be a Halloween look. The spookier, the better. Something really cool about our store is that we offer wreaths, and we can help you make a wreath, and we can layer wreaths. So what I've done here is I've taken just a twig wreath and layered it with the Halloween wreath. I thought the twigs kind of looked like a broomstick and that it was really cool, and then it just made it extra full. So if you put the wreath on just like that, it's fine, but it's even cuter to add a little sign in the center. So I just tied a ribbon on here, and that's just gonna hang from the wreath holder as well. And now you have a happy Halloween. I always like to add a sign. Next, I'm going to add our wooden characters. These are amazing. This guy's my favorite. This could even look cool hanging from your door if you wanted to get really creative. I'm gonna set him right here. He just sits pretty nicely on that stoop. Next, I'm gonna add these guys. So to balance it out, I'm gonna put the other skeleton right over here. And then I'm gonna put this pumpkin right there. I'm gonna place my doormat. Now I'm just taking some of our small pumpkins. I have a small wooden one and then our linen ones. I'm gonna balance out the orange over here with that guy, and then place just different sized pumpkins right here. Straighten that out. And this is gonna complete our Halloween porch.